Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. As you know, I have also become the founder of Happy Yogi, which provides online, offline yoga classes, corporate workshops, which sells products. I have mentioned the products that I am selling in my previous video. You can go and have a look at it. In this video, I'm going to share how we kept the name Happy Yogi, how this name came in our mind, how we decided on it. This will help you in a way that if at all you are planning to start your own business, and if you are planning to keep a name for it, this video will help you, because I'm going to share the idea behind picking this name Happy Yogi. Happy Yogi was not our first choice. We thought of many names like Yuj, Atha Yoga, Yoga Mandir, Sapna's Yoga Circle. Yeah, that's all. So we thought of these names. The reason why we discarded the name Yoga Mandir was because it has Mandir at the end, and we didn't want to keep any name which has any religious, which comes from the religious background. So that is why Yoga Mandir was clear no. Then we were thinking of keeping it Sapna's Yoga Circle, because it sounds very similar to Sapna's Yoga Diary. So that's why we thought of keeping it Sapna's Yoga Circle. So the reason why we did not choose Sapna's Yoga Circle, it's because it has my name in it, and in future I have a plan of expanding the work. I have a plan of building a team, and I do not want somebody to teach yoga with my name. It should be a name with which everyone should be happy. Everyone should relate to the name of the business. That's what I thought. Why would any teacher be happy to teach yoga with the name Sapna's Yoga Circle? I mean, of course, people may not mind it, but I had that thought. I wanted to think from the broadest angle, and I didn't want my name to be publicized as the business name. So that is the reason I dropped that name. It had an advantage that with Sapna's Yoga Circle, the name of the teacher gets publicized. It can be an advantage and it can also be a disadvantage, because if I think from some other teacher's perspective, then they may not be happy to present their work on the name of some other teacher. So that is why we dropped that name. After that, we were left with Atha Yoga and Yuj. Yuj sounded more modern and appealing, so that's why we were thinking of picking Yuj, and we started working on logo and domain name. Thankfully, on the day when we were planning to register Yuj as domain name, something went wrong. The payment did not went through. So we got one day, and in that one day we got time to think more and we reached out to some friends and relatives. We told them this name, and we asked them how they feel about it, and they all said the same thing, that Yuj is nice, it sounds good, but for a layman, they will not understand what Yuj is, because not everyone knows that Yuj is a root word for yoga. So it would be good if if you're keeping a name which will be familiar to a person who practices yoga and who does not practices yoga. They should be able to identify that this is something related to yoga. So that is why we thought more, and we are not able to find any name. And we took a break. We were just relaxing, and suddenly, it just came out that how about Happy Yogi? So the moment that name came out, everyone was like, "Yeah, this sounds good." Happy Yogi. The more we started using this name, thinking about this name, we started to realize that this makes a lot of sense, because yoga means union, and happy is an English word, and yogi is a Hindi word. So the name itself shows union. So basically the name represents the essence of yoga, union. And Happy Yogi is already, when you hear Happy Yogi, it gives you good vibes. And this can be easily understood by any person from, I think, anywhere, whether he or she is in India or outside India, comes from any background. If they hear Happy Yogi, they will be able to relate that yes, this is something related to yoga. So that is the reason we picked Happy Yogi. It has a meaning. It reflects essence of yoga, and it is easy to remember. The recall rate is very high. If a person hears Happy Yogi, it's very easy to remember. So that these are the reasons we decided to keep the name of the business Happy Yogi. So yeah, and that's the whole story behind it. How did you find it? Do you like the name? Does it make sense to you? Is this video helpful to you? Do let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for supporting me throughout the journey. Namaste, take care, keep practicing.